Good morning, everyone. Flipped at a tent site last night right beside this pond. That thing is so huge. You know, where I come from in Ohio, pond is small. They call them ponds up here. I think it was like a lake. Anyway, there wasn't any breeze coming off that lake. It was stifling. That was the hottest night on trail for me. Whew. I didn't like it. No, there wasn't any breeze. It was a little toasty. One of the other hikers was a log sawyer. So he was sawing some logs. But I went to sleep anyways. It doesn't bother me. Anyway, I think we're going to do 15 to 17 today. We want to set up to get across the Kennebec tomorrow. If there's going to be a lot of people, there's supposed to be a breakfast place just before you get to it. You can usually go eat breakfast and go to get on the canoe to go over. But if I don't need any breakfast if I'm going to have to wait in line for a long time to go across the river, so I might just bypass that, go straight to the river and be one of the first in line. I know there'll be somebody else in front of me. There always is. I'm not that early, but I don't want to be 10th. I think they take 2 at a time. Anyway, I think we went 2 miles past the shelter last night to the campsite. And Globetrotter and Sideshow must have went to the shelter. Wasn't getting any signal because I left him a message to ask him where he was at so we could meet up, and he didn't answer yet. So he'll probably call once he gets close to the pond because signal starts coming in there. Oh well. Anyways, I've been blithering too long, and you could been seeing the trail. Look at this trail though. Look how nice it is. It's like I'm back north again, or south again. Sorry. It's still early for me. Forgive me. Whew. Yeah, this is a nice trail. I think we're supposed to only have 2,000 foot of elevation gain in that 17 miles. That's unheard of. We're going to go down, and it's front loaded, so after we get done with these first 2 hills, we won't really have any elevation gain for miles and miles. Shucks. Give me time to recuperate. Oh well. I'll get back with you later. Head north. I figure I can try to get some video walking while it's raining. I don't have the earbuds in because I don't want the porch to get any water in there. Sorry. Hope I ain't on that thumping sound. There's the pond. I got 10 more miles to go. Then we're going to set up. I think we might have breakfast tomorrow. And then go over the Kennebec. Oh, we go that way? Let me get a good view of the lake up here. Oh, you could go swimming here. Look how nice it is. This is Whisper.
Hi.
Oh. Uh-oh. Will she?
Ooh. It's going to be very wet. It will be very wet.
Yeah, just like you are now?
Oh, no, I already kind of am wet.
I know.
What shorts
Look at
cause
that.
me problems?
Nice. Good evening, here at the shelter. What shelter is this called?
Pierce Pond.
Pierce Pond Shelter. It's been raining all day. Haven't been able to videotape. I can't get into my phone when it's really wet. But we're gonna get up in the morning. We're gonna go get a breakfast from this old man's, I don't know, lodge. I don't know what it is. But anyways, we're gonna try to get over to the Kennebec tomorrow. Hopefully, we should be able to get over there. They don't shut it down on us. Who knows? Did 15 miles, I think, today. So, I don't know. Need to get out of here. With weather like this, who wants to stay around? There's 2 shoes from Cleveland. Radio, or coyotes. Radio there, look at them. Globetrotter, I think he got across the river, so he's over there now. Got Sideshow, Pigpen, and Whisper. They're all around here, but they're tent camping. I didn't feel like putting up a tent in the rain. I don't feel like taking it down when it's wet. This weighs too much. So I'm going to try to get a few miles tomorrow and the next day to try to get to Shaw's. I got to see if I want to zero there or just take a long Nero. I don't know. I know this. I want to go home. This weather's been terrible. Oh well. Anyways, besides that, it's all right. So, I'll let you go for the night. I miss you, Tiny. I'll see you soon. Head north.